Hi, this is MO Beef, and I'm making a boxing for a package that came in the mail. Here we go. So we have a Finn Balor basic. You got with red tights and black and gold with the F for Finn right here. Red knee pads, white boots. Same on the back. Nothing on the back. That's that one. So you got The Rock with his All-American Brahma Bull tank top. You got The Rock on his tights, black knee pads, black boots. You got the Brahma Bull on the back of his tights. You got the tattoo here, tattoo here. That's that figure. You got the Tribal Chief, Roman Reigns. You got the vest with silver Roman Reigns logo. You got the vest. You got the black pants, cargo pants. You got the black boots. Nothing here. You got the outline of the vest right here in silver. You have his tribal tattoo on his arm, down his arm. You got this tattoo, nothing here. And that has been a quick unboxing for three basics. Finn Balor, The Rock, and Roman Reigns. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.